Okay, with low back pain, especially in that SI area, the sacral iliac joint, which is right in this spot here, you want to do these two exercises. So first, you want to get on your side here. You want to get 90 degrees at the knees, 90 degrees at the hips, and you want to open up the upper back here. Then you want to use this arm here as kind of a guide, because what you're going to do is you're going to get motion and push motion into this upper leg here. So it's going to slide right across the bottom leg, and you want to be able to touch your hand, and what this is allowing some motion specifically in this area. So you want to slide that back and forth about 10 to 15 times, and once you finish that, you bring it all the way to the end here so it's even. You hold with this arm right here. You take a few deep breaths and let that continue to stretch open slowly for about a minute. When you finish that, you want to switch sides. So you're going to come on over. I'm going to get into that 90 degrees at the knees, 90 degrees at the hip. You want to open up the upper back, and then you start sliding the upper leg on the bottom leg, and you try to touch the hand right here, because that hand is at the end of the bottom leg. So you know you're traveling. Now I'm feeling it specifically right in that SI area in the lower back. The lower lumbar is the SI. It's really good motion for that area. You have to establish that motion in the SI joint. You're going to find one of these are going to be tighter than the other, most likely. So you want to do about 10 to 15. You go all the way to the end range here, so it lines up so the knees are even. You hold it again, you open up, take a few deep breaths and let it stretch. And you do this for about a minute. Now you can repeat it each side if you want. Then what you want to do is you want to just take note of which side is tighter, because you're going to do twice as much on the side that's tighter. Then when you finish that, we want to support more and do more of a strength move for the SI joints. So we want to activate the glutes by doing a glute bridge. So you want to come in here and contract firmly in the glutes and do this for about 20 to 25 times. Now this is something that you can do every day to activate and to free up that low back and the SI joint. So go through this every day, and you're going to see that the low back and the SI joint will start getting more balanced and stronger and stable.